Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a DIY project for you for my home. So I installed some carpet treads on my wooden stairs going up and down the stairs. There used to be like a runner or something on it, or treads on it before. There were a bunch of staples and stuff stuck into it, and it was disgusting. So if you want to see me install some new ones, keep on watching. Alright, so we got a pack of these large stair treads in the gray color. We also got some carpet tape as well as some staples. So I'm going to do the tape on it like this, and then I'm going to staple them on to the stairs. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed, but basically I'm taking the tape, laying it down in a strip, cutting it off, laying it down in another strip, cutting it off, and it'll look like. So there are 13 of these that come in a pack, and I have 13 steps because my top landing kind of looks a little funny. I'll show you. It's like this, so there's no point in putting another one up here. So I've got 13 steps starting from here all the way down to the bottom one. There used to be a runner here because they have the little eye hooks here. So they used to have runners, and then I think they had something similar to what I'm putting on now because there was a bunch of staples and stuff all over the floor or the stairs. So I went through, I took out all the staples. Sorry if I'm out of breath. I have an upper respiratory thing. So I took all the staples out. I swept the floor. Yes, baby.
Can I say hi?
In a minute. I swept the floor or the stairs, and then I went ahead and washed the stairs twice to make sure that they were clean. Sorry for my daughter in the background. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the bottom step, and these are as clean as I can get them to be without having to go through and sand them and refinishing them. So basically I'm just going to kind of eyeball it in the center of my stairs. I'm not going to get really too crazy with the measurements. I'm just going to make sure that they line up going all the way up. And basically what you're going to do is, because we put the tape on it, I'll then peel the tape off, stick it in place, and then staple it in place. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed just to show you that you peel this part off without peeling the sticky tape up. Trying to do this one-handed stinks. So basically that's what the tape looks like. So I'm going to peel this off, and then I'm going to stick it in place, and then I'll show you how I'm going to staple it. Alright, so I went ahead and I stuck it on where I want it, and it doesn't really move with the tape, but because I have a dog and because I have a kid, we'll probably try to sit here and peel it up. We're going to do the staple. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to staple right there. And just basically do it like in the corners of it. I might have to pull those ones up and redo them, but you get what I mean. Alright, so I added 4 staples into it. One here, one over here, one right here, and one right here. I think I'm going to pull this one out and do it so it goes in here in the line of it. So I'm going to pull that one out, do it so it goes that way, and that's about it. So as you go, it'll start to look something like this. And then how I've been trying to line them up is basically I will take this like that, and then pretty much just like slide it back into place like that. And then that way it's roughly, I mean this one I think is like a little bit off, but then that way it'll go like up. So I'm going to go ahead and keep doing it, and I will show you the finished product when I'm done. So this is the finished result. I guess, I don't know. Of these stairs. That's what it looks like. Alright, and that is going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you liked this DIY home project that I did. If you guys want to see more DIY stuff like this with the house, please let me know in the comments below, and I will try to film our next project. Alrighty, talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much, and have a good day.